Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. Today we're going to see a OnGuard Lock Combination review. OnGuard locks offer solid value and decent security, especially at mid-price points. They offer combination lock models, assuming you're looking at one, carry the same brand strengths. Good build for the cost, but not the absolute top tier for security. If you're looking at a high value bike or leaving it overnight in a high risk area, you may want to step to a premium lock. Reviewers of OnGuard locks consistently highlight that you get a strong lock for the price. For example, the Brute STD, the key version, was described as budget friendly with quality very close, so its more expensive competitors. Also among cable lock models, the Akira with the resettable combo lock was praised for being light and easy to dial in, and in the past, OnGuard had mixed reputation for reliability, but recent reviews note improved manufacturing and quality control. But it has some models that were shown to have vulnerabilities. For example, the Mastiff 8020 chain was rated bronze, and while I couldn't find a deep review specific to the combination version you asked about, models in the same family with keys showed that though they may achieve diamond ratings, they often require more maintenance and may be bulkier. Also, higher security models for OnGuard tend to be heavier, large, and less convenient for everyday carry. This is a common issue across the industry. So, overall, you're locking a bike and moderate value in a low to medium risk environment like apartment parking or rails, and you prefer the convenience of a combination no keys to lose. You value good value and everyday practically more than absolute ultra-dive-proof security, and consider alternatives if your bike is high value or you need to leave it unattended in a high crime area. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.